Tell me the code now. You leave me no choice. Ha! Do your worst. Just tell us the combination. You're funny. You hit like a rat. The combination. Okay. It's your mama. We don't have time for this. He's stalling. How much time do we have left? I don't know, a few minutes tops. Well, then we need to resort to desperate measures. You don't mean that's exactly what I mean. Anderson, initiate Method X. Very well. Last chance. Very well. The code. Great Scott! He's going to kill him! Please make it stop! We need the code. I'll tell you, just make it stop! What is the code? The code is 11111 and 1. Agents, you know what to do. Yes, sir. It's good. The soup is secure and still hot. Good job, team. Good job. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just spent 4 hours on the dot shooting all the angles and all the different characters, but I had so much fun and I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, you can click right here to become a chugget. Also, if you'd like to see something else, maybe a Among Us parody, you can click right up here, and down here, YouTube will recommend a video from my channel to you. I hope you've been having a great 2021 so far. I will see you next week, Thursday.